Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash without overdraft using SoFi balance control step by step clearly. Start by opening the SoFi app on your mobile device. Log in with your username and password. Once you are in the app, navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the balance controls section. Tap on balance controls to access your settings. You will see different options for managing your funds. Select Withdraw Cash from the available options. Review your current balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Set up a withdrawal limit if prompted, to prevent overdrafts. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm that the amount does not exceed your set limit. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as an ATM or direct transfer. If withdrawing from an ATM, find one that accepts your SoFi card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message before logging out. Check your account balance to confirm that the withdrawal has been processed. You're now ready to manage your funds without overdraft risks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.